Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we are making a chicken and mushroom wild rice soup. It is going to be so wonderful and comforting on this cold rainy day. So to start off, I have my Dutch oven heating up. There is nothing in the bottom of it yet. With mushrooms, I like to throw them in with very, very little oil. I'm just going to like barely dab the oil in so that they brown versus steam. So I'm going to slice these up. While these are going, I'm going to chop up 1 onion, 2 ribs of celery, and 2 carrots, 2 to 3 carrots. And I'm going to chop all those up and some garlic and have those ready to go once the mushrooms are done. Okay, so this, you can see there's still some liquid in the bottom. That is from the mushrooms. So I didn't add anything to the bottom, and I let them go for about 10 minutes, just stirring occasionally. And they are nice and browned. I'm telling you, it's an extra labor of love, but so worth it. So, let there be light. So, now that we have done this, I have our onion, celery, and carrots. We're going to throw all that in, and I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of butter. Let all of this just kind of saute a little bit, and then we'll add the garlic. Okay, so I went ahead and added in 5 cloves of garlic, chopped, and I let that go for about a minute until it smells fragrant. That's how long you want to cook it. Now we're going to add in some thyme, about half a teaspoon worth. You could add more or less. And then I have about a cup of wild rice. So add that in, and now I'm going to get everything stirred together. And then we're going to add 6 cups of chicken broth. Okay, now that we added in the chicken broth, we're going to salt, pepper to taste. I'm going to go really light on the salt because my chicken stock has salt in it. But we're going to bring it up to a boil and then reduce the heat and let this just simmer for about 30 minutes until our rice is done. And then we will add cream and shredded chicken, and it is going to be so delicious. Okay, so I have let this go for about 45 minutes is what it took. And you can see, if it doesn't fog, you can see it's fairly thick. But I went ahead and added 1.5 cups of shredded chicken that I had just done in the crock pot. I actually did 2 chickens because I'm making a few different make-ahead soups this week. Soup season is my favorite. Now, you could add more chicken, less chicken, whatever you prefer. At this point, you can add cream, and usually I do add heavy cream, but today I'm going to try coconut milk instead. So you want about 1.5 cups of cream. Well, that was coconut cream, sorry, not coconut milk. You could use coconut milk too, but I'm using coconut cream to see how I like it. Usually though, like I said, I will just use heavy cream, and it's still 1.5 cups. So at this point, we are done. You want to test for salt and pepper. Let's taste it. Oh, that's really good. That is really good. So for those that will be interested, this is the coconut cream. It gives it the creaminess, but not the thickness that a heavy cream would give, if that makes sense. But that'll do it. That will do it. And I apologize for my lighting. My light bulb went out above me, and I have to go get a new one. So, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope to see you all next time for my next video. Thanks for watching, guys.